Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In today's laptop we have a brand new Lenovo laptop. This one comes with an AMD A4 processor, and the exact model for this one is it's a Lenovo Ideapad Slim 1-14 AST-05, and they actually give you a model name is 81VS. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and how to replace your battery for these models. First thing first, you want to flip it over and put it upside down, and you want to get yourself an opening tool and a screwdriver set. I really recommend you guys to get this UFIXTEK tool set. They're really handy to have it around the shop. They have a really nice set of bits, and these bits can open iPhones up to any type of laptops. From this set we're going to be using the screw Phillips number 0. Right. Next, what we want to do, we want to remove all the screws at the bottom cover. There should be around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws in total. So go ahead and remove all the screws one by one, and don't worry about mismatching the screws because all of the screws, they are the same size and height, so it won't do any difference if you place them in the wrong place, as they are all the same. So go ahead and remove all the screws. Alright, once you remove the screws at the bottom cover, what you want to do, you want to grab yourself an opening tool. I use a particularly one guitar pick. So what you want to do in here, you want to grab this opening tool and stick it between the top and the bottom cover, just like that, Now what you want to do, you want to twist it and you want to hear some clicks. And you want to do that all around in front. Make sure you hear those clicks. Okay, go to the sides. You don't want to stick the guitar pick too much inward, just a little the tip. Do the back side, one corner back, the next corner back, a little bit of this side, and that's it. Now what you want to do, you want to grab it from the sides and just wiggle it around the bottom cover, and it should come out pretty easy. And there we have it. Next, down here, the battery is going to be right in front of you. Is this one over here, and there's only one connector that goes to the jack. To remove the battery, there's only 4 screws holding it, so 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So go ahead and remove these 4 screws. They should be all the same size. There we have it. Now you can just actually lift it up, so that way it's easier to disconnect the jack. And what you want to do, you want to grab the jack or the cable by the jack and then pull it towards the battery, and it will come out pretty easy. The model name for this one, it's an L19M2PF0. So that's the model number for the battery, and pretty much it's a 7.5 volt 4535 milliamp battery. Okay, to get the new battery in, to plug it in, simply just grab it, make sure you align the jack right there, and then squeeze it towards the jack. Just push it towards, or just pinch it. Next, place the jack right, make sure the screw holes match, and then put the 4 screws right on top of it. Okay, now the last step would be to grab the bottom cover, place it right on top, and what you want to do, you want to, very important, press the corners, make sure you hit those clicks, go all the way around to the back corners, and if you see any opening, just pinch it and it should close pretty easy. You see this opening right here? Just pinch it and it will go in place. The front cover, just again open up a little bit and then pinch it towards and make sure everything is aligned. Once you got everything aligned there, you start screwing the bottom cover. All right, and first don't tighten up too much, just put it easily on top, just softly, and then you want to do second pass and do it, tighten up all the screws. That way if you need to move or something, then you can just open it up easy. And I hope this video helped you guys out and answers your questions about the battery on these models. And if you guys have any more requests or questions, you know where to leave them in the comment area, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And again, remember, I really appreciate it if you guys subscribe. It motivates and helps me to make more videos and take requests from you guys. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.